It's August 2021 and the remnants of Hurricane Floyd just passed through. As you can see, it's still blowing a little bit. Got a few broken limbs, but no damage. I'm in western North Carolina. But I wanted to show you as a follow-up from my video where I put this culvert in my creek. I wanted to show you how it was running. And here's the culvert that I put in. As you can see, it's only about half full. So I'm really happy to see that. This is about one of the hardest rains I've ever seen here. And the culvert is working fine. If you watch my other video, you see that I armored it with a bunch of riprap rock around here to help protect that soil and help to protect my gravel driveway. That's a lot of water. And here's the other side of it. That's a 30-inch culvert. You can tell it's a lot of water coming out of there. And here's where it goes into the old culvert. That thing is full. Let's go check out the pond and see how the overflow is doing. I have another video on how my pond works, how it gets filled up and how it drains. And I know today, after this hard rain, the emergency spillway is activated. So as you can see, the pond is full. If you saw my other video, my earlier video about the pond, you can tell how full it is by this dock right here. The water is normally about 9 inches below the bottom of the dock. And this is the emergency spillway right here. So the water is coming over the spillway and going out. This water is flowing out into the creek. And there it goes back into the water, gets back into the creek. I'll show you the overflow water coming out of the pond. So that overflow pipe is working at full capacity. That's a 6-inch pipe, and it couldn't flow any more water. This is becoming a problem area. It's really getting eroded in here. I'm gonna have to do something about that. That water comes from way over there and makes almost a 90-degree turn right here and then goes down. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should armor that with riprap or just kind of move the creek. Maybe I can straighten it out a little bit. This is awful. It's getting really eroded. I'm getting ready to lose a chunk of my pasture up here. Here, I got some pawpaws on my pawpaw tree. I have a video on pawpaws if you're interested in that. Just check out my channel. The creek is overflowing right here. That creek is full and the water's flowing right through here. and then just heading out into the yard. That's draining water from behind my house. So that collects water from all behind my house. All that water runs back away from the house and runs right down here, and it's collected in this. It runs underground. Oh, it also collects the water from the weep system off the building, foundation drainage, and then it goes across and empties over there. So this rain did cause some erosion in my driveway. I had dug this ditch alongside the driveway to kind of get most of the water going into that, but we had so much rain that it caused a big eroded ditch in the driveway. I'm in Pisgah Forest, North Carolina, and it's a temperate rainforest. So we get from 80 to 100 inches of rain per year. Yeah, that's right, 80 to 100 inches per year. Last year we got 120 inches. That was an anomaly. So we have to do a lot of water management here. We have streets that are flooded, houses are flooded in lower lying areas. I'll show you a water management thing I did in my driveway to keep the water from coming down. This driveway, this is the top of the hill, comes down, and this is going downhill all the way down to my house. So the water used to just form channels and just come straight down and cause big ruts. So I dug this ditch to collect the water, and right here I have a grade reversal in the driveway, so any water that comes down the driveway is stopped by this grade reversal and then goes off into the ditch. Let's see if that's working. See, here's all the water that would normally be coming down my driveway. It's working somewhat, but this is all still very eroded now from that rain. Well, I guess that's it. No damage from Hurricane Floyd, just a lot of water. A little damage to my driveway, but that can easily be fixed with my tractor and a little grading. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you're interested in knowing how I put that culvert in the creek, I did it with just my little tiny excavator and my small tractor. Check out my channel, I have a video on that. Also have a video on how the pond works, how it fills, how it empties, and how I control the level of the water. So if you like all that kind of stuff, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I like hearing from you guys, and I'll see you next time.